You're lying in bed, completely still, eyes closed. And then your brain does it again. It pulls up that memory, the one you've been trying to forget for years. Maybe you said something stupid. Maybe you fell in public. Maybe you froze during a speech. And suddenly, your whole body tenses. Your face goes hot. You cringe so hard you want to disappear. Why does this happen? Why does your brain keep these moments alive, so sharp, so vivid, like they happened yesterday? Here's what most people don't know. Your brain doesn't treat embarrassing memories the same as regular ones. It treats them like threats. When something embarrassing happens, your brain fires up the amygdala, the tiny almond-shaped region deep inside your head that handles fear and survival. To your brain, embarrassment isn't just awkward, it feels dangerous. Thousands of years ago, humans survived in groups. Being rejected from your tribe meant death. So your brain evolved to track social threats, moments where you might be judged, rejected, or humiliated, with the same urgency as a lion chasing you. That's why embarrassment triggers the same stress response as physical danger. Elevated heart rate, flushing skin, racing thoughts. Your brain thinks your reputation is your survival. There's a name for this. Psychologists call it the spotlight effect. The feeling that everyone noticed your mistake and remembered it. But here's the thing. They didn't. Studies show people overestimate how much others pay attention to their embarrassing moments by up to 50%. Everyone else was too busy worrying about their own embarrassing moments to remember yours. Embarrassing memories are also emotionally charged, and emotional charge makes memory stronger. The hormone cortisol, released during stress, tells your hippocampus to engrave that moment deep into long-term storage. It's a survival feature, not a bug. Your brain says, remember this, so you never feel this kind of social danger again. It's why you still remember stumbling over words in class in 7th grade. Why you remember that awkward silence after a bad joke at a family dinner. Why the memory of sending a text to the wrong person still makes you physically shudder. Your brain kept those memories as lessons. And here's what really gets you. Research shows that the people around you, the ones you thought were watching and judging, forgot your moment almost immediately. The only person who replays it is you. Your brain built a prison out of a moment that exists only in your own memory. The good news, now that you know why it happens, you can start letting it go.